I'm making a berry blast. It's a fabulous weight loss smoothie. I'm going to use 200 mils of rice milk as my base for this. It's really great because it's a dairy alternative and it gives a little bit of sweetness as well. So we've got that in there. To that I'm going to add some coconut yogurt. I really love coconut yogurt because it's got lots of good ingredients from the coconut and it's also dairy free. So I'll put in 2 tablespoons of that. This is my secret ingredient. I've got some chia seeds. So I'm going to add those in as well, together with a couple of dates because they're going to give us extra fibre. Also in there, I did say the chia seeds are my secret ingredient, but actually it's the new Healthista lean whey diet protein. So I pop that in, and then some frozen berries, a handful of blueberries and a handful of raspberries. Wonderful for the immune system as well. Look at the colours of this wonderful purple coloured smoothie. It truly is going to boost your immune system as well as keep you full and help you with weight management. It's one of my favourites and I really think you're going to enjoy it.